How to fix Facebook white screen. In this video I will share with you guys how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this and click on storage option. Here click in the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back and click on first stop and click also OK. And now what you should do guys, you have to go to your Play Store and update your Facebook if it's not updated. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.